J-Lo and Sobe. So, paano na lang, gaano lang kayo inspired na yun, nakikita nyo nga yung fight nila sa gilid, na recovering, tas kayo, ibang fight naman ang nilaban yung support na yun, fighting for a final first spot pa kayo sa ngayon.
Siguro yun nga, parang through every game, we really see them like going to the training, going to the games, and they really give their, even though they're injured, they also give their 110% in cheering for us, in like giving us energy, even though they are outside the court. Parang doon din kami humugot ng strength, lalo na pag nasa loob kami, since they really are teammates. Like, ang close talaga namin, and through them, parang na-inspired rin kami to do our 110%, even though hindi naman always, pero to come back and to give the Ateneo community and for them, the Ateneo that they want to see and we want them to see. So yun, parang we're just giving our 100 best na.
Paano nyo lang in-overcome yung regret na yun na maraming key pieces na nawala, pero here you are still fighting for a final four spot and ayun, 3-game win streak na din kayo.
Figure yung hindi na namin iniisip na parang yun nga, 11 na lang kami. Pero even though 11 kami, sinasabi namin na, 11 tayo. Pero alam ko kaya natin. Hindi yung parang 11 na lang tayo. Which is, it's really different when you say it and when you understand it. Parang 11 tayo, which is kaya namin, kahit 11 kami. Kahit middle pa na iwan lahat, kahit konti na lang kami, we'll still fight. Kasi alam namin sa training, at alam ko naman sa mga teammates ko na they will not give up. They will fight for each point. Lalo yung mga rookies namin, they're really a fighter. And I'm really excited din coming to the second round because everyone was given an opportunity by coach to play. And I know naman that they can really push and to get this final four spot.
Ayun, alongside Lian and AC, paano mo na lang siguro mas i-embrace pa yung leadership role na meron ka kasi yun nga, next game yung medyo mabigat Lasal and padulo na ng second round, so mas iinit lang lalo ng race for the last final four spot.
Siguro, being a setter, kailangan din maging composed inside the court. Like, I know it's a big role. I need to like think for them, for myself, and to contribute to the team. Pero yun nga, parang step by step. Kasi alam ko naman na they will help me and I will help them. Parang yun nga, with the proper communication that we're having, we're just gonna, parang ano yung possibility na mas better gawin ganitong situation, if may mga lapses talaga. So it's more on communication talaga with my spikers in coming to this game sa Lasal. And siguro yung sa viewing rin namin na gagawin namin sa Monday is to like understand talaga, like focus on the Lasal players, on what's their capability, anong kaya nila gawin, and to focus on our team too. So parang yun nga, so that we will fight for this Wednesday.
Speaking on being a leader, nasabi mo nga na parang continuously magsa-step up ka lang. Nakikita mo rin ba yung teammates mo after nga nung injuries na slowly kamusta yung progress nila on adjusting to their new roles?
Actually, everyone really embraced their roles. I'm really happy and confident na I know they can do more. Especially yung sa rookies and si Zay and Vana paminsan. Kasi may mga instances talaga nag-opposite sila, nag-open, tapos yung mga rookies din. And I'm happy kasi every time pinapapasok sila, I know na they will do their 110%, like contribute to the team and also parang to also showcase their talents because I know na they're talented, especially sa training, ang galing-galing nila. So coming to this game, I know na I'm really confident with my spikers that they can do more, and especially to my liberos.
Thank you.